Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters. Let's embark on a journey of inspiration, as we unveil the profound message of Allah's divine smiles through the words of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now listen to me carefully. What if I tell you you can make Allah Azawajal smile? Surprised? Not only you and I, we all Muslim in the world with our act of worship can make Allah the Almighty smile. And what a blessed act of worship is that can make Allah the Almighty smile. How powerful is the act of worship which makes Allah Azawajal smile. Every living Muslim on this earth can make this possible. Excited to know the act of worship? Now imagine the unimaginable. The King of Kings, Allah Almighty, smiling at you. Our hearts will flutter at the thought. The essence of this divine joy that our Prophet, peace be upon him, illuminated for us. The Prophet, peace be upon him, revealed that there are three categories of people who earn Allah's love and witness his radiant smile. Today, we focus on one captivating scenario that will touch the depths of our souls. What makes Allah the Almighty smile? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mentioned one of the three people is a person who has a beautiful spouse and a very comfortable bed, but then in the middle of the night, he gets up and leaves his spouse, leaves his desires to remember Allah and pray the night prayer. So Allah Almighty will say to his angels, look at how my slave has left his bed and his desire in order to remember me. And if he wanted, he could have continued sleeping. Allah the Almighty smiles at such person. What happens when Allah smiles at you? You may think, what's the significance of the smile of Allah? Imam Ahmad narrates in his Musnad that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said answering this: when Allah the Almighty smiles upon a person in this worldly life, that individual will be exempt from any accountability on the Day of Judgment. All the fearsome reckonings we've heard about won't apply to them, for they will not be held accountable. Subhanallah, reflecting on these words brings forth a profound understanding of the divine love and mercy bestowed upon those who, despite the allure of comfort, choose to remember Allah. May we all be among those whom Allah loves and smiles upon. Dear brothers and sisters, envision the beauty of Allah's smile, a reward for those who, in the silent hours, choose Allah over the comfort of their desires. May this revelation inspire us to embrace our own night journey of devotion, to be among those who receive Allah's love and the radiance of his smile. As we wrap up this inspiration reflection, let the warmth of Allah's smile fill your hearts with hope and gratitude. Until next time, Assalamualaikum.